Hey there, this is Sam from GHL SaasKits, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can set up your order form with the pre-selected product. Okay, so before getting started, let me show you the example. Okay, so this is our website, GHL SaasKits. Okay, so when you go to the pricing section of this page, and you see three different pricing plan we have now. So let's say we want to select a specific part, okay, a specific pricing plan, okay, for this product. Okay, and if we want to choose the monthly, okay, so let's say for monthly plan, okay, when we click this button, it takes to the checkout page, and you will see that this is by default selected that the monthly checkout, okay, monthly plan, but initially our first plan is yearly plan, you can see. Okay, so let me go back to the page again, and then if I want to select the $197 which is yearly plan, and click here the button, then you will see that it will by default selected this plan. Okay, so this is the code snippet we are using, and we called it pre-selected product on GoHighLevel. Okay, so one more example, if I select the $267 plan, which is the lifetime plan, okay, let me click on it and it will be selected that plan. You can see here this plan is selected. Okay, so this is how actually the script working, and now I'm going to show you how easily you can do this for your website too. Okay, so first of all, let me show another example. Okay, that let's say this is our one-step checkout page we have built, and in this page we have two different products. Okay, so the AI courses and GHL SaasKits All Access Pass. Okay, so let me click here. Okay, so let's say I want to buy the GHL SaasKits All Access Pass. Okay, so when I click on it, it will open the new window. Okay, and you can see here the second product is selected by default. Okay, so this is how it actually works. And also if I want to click here, okay, the first one, then you will see the first product selected. Okay, so let me show you how you can do this for your GoHighLevel. Okay, so I'm here on the page editor. Let's say this is our checkout page. We already have everything done. Okay, here we just need to grab the CSS ID of the checkout page, and then we add this to our script. Okay, let me grab this. Okay, here is the checkout page. Just select it and go to the advanced tab, and at the very bottom you will get the CSS selector. Okay, here is the CSS selector. We need this to implement the code snippet. Okay, so let me copy the code snippet from our GHL code snippet library. Okay, I just copied this, okay, from our GHL code snippet library, and click here the tracking code, and then inside the header tracking add the code. Here's the code, and then click save and select the order form and go to the advanced tab, and then get the CSS ID. Okay, so we need to replace our ID here. Okay, but before that, here's the full ID. Okay, so we only need this part. Okay, so all other part we don't need. We need only this ID. Okay, so the pound sign, one step order, and the hyphen, everything should be deleted, and then we only need this part to replace here. Okay, just do it. Yeah, here is it, and then save it. Okay, we saved it, and now one more thing we need to do. We need to make the URL of the page. Okay, so to make the URL we need to follow some guide. Okay, let me show you how. Just let me save it first. Okay, it's saved and published, and I'm going back to our funnel, and then here is our order form. We need to get this URL. Okay, so let me open the notepad for this. Okay. The notepad is opening now. Okay, I just opened the notepad, and now we need to copy this URL. Okay, just copy this URL and then put it here on the notepad, and then go back to your funnel, and on the product tab you will find your product ID. Okay, so each time you add a product on your GoHighLevel checkout page, it will give you an unique ID. Okay, so this is our first product ID. Let me save it. Okay, on the notepad, this is our first product, and this is our second product, okay, which is the GHL All Access Parts. But the AI courses, this one is our order bump. Okay, so we don't need these. Okay, we just need the first and third product in this case. Okay, so just copy this, and okay, let me copy it again. Copy it and put it here. Okay, so this is our first product, and this is our third product. This and put it here. Okay, so now we need to make the format and use this product ID to target the product selection. Okay, so to do that, let me go back here, and then I am going to use one of our existing product. Okay, so here you can see here, this is our main page URL. Okay, so after the page URL, put a question mark and then PID equal and then your product ID. Okay, so like this. Okay, and then make another one for the same checkout page, but for the different product. Okay, here is our product page URL, then put the question mark, then PID equal and then our third product ID. Okay, so here is it. So now let me delete everything else. Okay, so now if we browse this URL, it will pre-select the product, okay, based on the ID we provided. So in this example, this is our first product ID, which is the AI courses, and this is our third product ID, which is the GHL SaasKits All Access Pass. Let me browse the these. Okay, just open a new window and then put the URL into the address bar and reload the page, and you can see here the product is selected, GHL All Access Pass. The same way, if I go back and put this one, okay, and then go back and open a new tab and put that URL into the page. Okay, so you can see here now it's selected the first product. So this way you actually can create a pre-selected product ID, and now after that you can add those URL. Okay, you can add those URL into your page. For example, as I showed that in our page, okay, into the pricing section, into the pricing table, we added the ID. Okay, so if I copy one of the ID and if I show you, then you will see the same formation. Okay, so this is our page. Okay, then the question mark PID equal then the product ID. Okay, this is the formation to add on your button. Okay, so let me show you in this example again. So if I copy this URL, okay, so let me copy the link address and open the notepad, and if I put here, you can see here the same formation. Okay, so this is how you can actually add a pre-selected product on your page, okay, on your sales page, on your website, or wherever you want to use this. And when someone click on that individual button or individual link, you can also send the link to your customer directly into the email if you like. Okay, so it's actually depends on your use case, but this is how it actually works. When someone browses that special link, then they will get the product selected automatically. They don't need to manually select that product, even though if you have multiple different product in your page. Okay, so one more important thing I want to show you. To make this script work, you need to disable the cart mode. Okay, so if you use the cart mode on your checkout page, then this code snippet will not work. Okay, so let me show you how you can disable the cart mode. Just in a moment, the page is loading. Okay, so select your checkout page, go to the advanced tab here, go to the advanced tab, and then you will see the option cart mode. You just need to disable it. Yeah, here is it. Enable cart mode. You can see here this is already disabled. If we enable this, then this code snippet will not work. Okay, so this is mandatory to keep your cart mode off. Okay, to make the code snippet work. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you like this video and find it helpful, then feel free to subscribe your channel, and you can also share with your friends. And one more thing I want to mention here, this code snippet is the part of our premium code snippet library. So if you just copy or write the code snippet that I showed, you may not work. So don't worry about that. All you just need to upgrade your account, okay, from our website GHLSaasKits.com. Okay, you can get any plan. We have multiple different plan, as I showed you, the monthly plan, yearly plan, and also currently we have the lifetime deal also. You can get it, and also you can get access to our premium library. Okay, so let me show you here, just a moment. Here is our community. You can also get access to our community for free. Okay, and then you can upgrade to the premium library. Okay, so once you upgrade your premium code snippet library, then go to the learning tab, and you will see the option here. Okay, so this is the code snippet library. You just need to open it, and you will get this code snippet here. Okay, but if you want to keep using our community for free, then you can also do that. It's completely free. You can join here. When you join, you will get the basic version of GHL code snippet library for free, and also some other content we have, as well as regularly we will get the updated new code snippet, how we using it, and lots of other tips and tricks. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day.